Within the measurement tools, there are two types of protractors. Let's look at the one students will recognize. With this protractor, I can do several different things. First, if I click on the outer band, you can see that I can rotate my protractor around. If I click on the inner band, you can see that I have the ability to actually shrink and expand my protractor depending on the angles I'm trying to measure. In the bottom left-hand corner, you can see that there's a circle. If I click on the circle, my protractor goes from a half circle to a full circle. If I click back on it, it'll go back to the half circle. I may want to use the full circle if I'm measuring angles that are greater than 180 degrees. Now, in the right-hand corner, as you can see, there are two different things. There's a green arrow and there's a green circle. As I move my green circle, I can actually measure and use this to help me measure angles. If I want to verify the size of my angle, I can click at the green arrow and it'll tell me that I just measured a 49-degree angle. Now, what this is going to kick out with that green arrow is the difference between the white circle and the green circle, and it looks at it counterclockwise, which is important to recognize, especially if you do use the full circle protractor. So if I move my white, say to 20, and I move my green to 80, now if I click that green arrow, it's going to say 80 minus 20 gives me 60 degrees. So what's really being looked at when I'm creating these angles with the green arrow is the difference between the white and the difference between the green circle. And that's some of the basics with the regular protractor.